Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm bringing you an amazing recipe of double chocolate brownies. I've had loads of requests for this recipe, so let's get baking. To make double chocolate brownies, here I've got 1 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of unsalted butter, 4 eggs, 2 cups of sugar, 1 1/4 cup of plain flour, 1 teaspoon each of baking powder, salt and vanilla essence, and 1 bag of chocolate chips. So first we're going to melt together butter and sugar. First of all, you need to melt down butter. Once the butter is melted, I'm adding 2 cups of sugar. Okay guys, so you can see that sugar and butter is melted and I took it off from heat. Now the next step is to add all of the cocoa powder. And then after that, I'm going to use the hand blender. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to add eggs one by one. Now I'm going to sift the flour into the chocolate mixture. And now we are going to gently fold in the flour in the chocolate mixture. I'm also going to add 1 bag of chocolate chip cookies in the batter mixture. Fold it gently, and that's our brownie mixture ready.